Hi, I am Igor Glass, and today we will install WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. So in the past you had to perform quite complex installation, a lot of customization, a lot of stuff, but right now you need just one simple command, this wsl.exe -- install. But there are some hints which I also want to share with you. So first of all, where to put this command in your PowerShell. So you open Start, you find PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. So something like this. Now you could work in PowerShell and install Windows Subsystem for Linux. So let's first make our PowerShell a bit more friendly for video, like this. Yeah. So if you will push this command, you will immediately install Ubuntu, but maybe you want to install something else. So you could try this command here, and it will say which distributives you could install. So you could go for Debian, Kali, SUSE, a lot of other options, but by default you will install latest Ubuntu, which is kinda alright to me. But if you want something customizable, some other distribution, you use this command. So you, for example, do something like this. So you copy it and just right click to copy, and you put it something like this. So with this command you will install OpenSUSE. But yeah, for me, I'll install just regular one, just Ubuntu. Use Ctrl-L to clean your terminal. So we will just use this command. Let's do it. It's very easy, and also it will install WSL2 by default, which is very nice. So while we're waiting for it, I wanna say that if you do not have, if it doesn't work for you, check this link. I'll put it to the below to the video, because maybe you need a certain update for Windows, so it will work. But for me it works, so I do not need it for now. Also, you could upgrade your distribution, you could change it. So if you want to change your distribution to another one, you use this command to change it. So anytime you could do it. Also, you could install kind of additional distribution. So yeah, and you could swap between WSL1 and WSL2, but yeah, WSL2 is better. So if you use right now WSL1, you could use this command to switch to WSL2. So yeah, we're getting closer. Right now we're just using this simple command wsl.exe install and waiting for this installation. When it will end, we will check our status and we'll perform some updates. Okay, now when it's downloaded and kernel installed, we need to reboot our PC. Let's restart it. So after you finished, you should go to your start menu and run Ubuntu. And here you could immediately, what you should do, you will create a user and password, and then you should update your system. So you use sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. So as in any system, Linux system, it's what you should do the first, to get all the packages, get the source code, and it will be compiled as it's kind of native Linux here. It will take some time, and someplace you see 305 megabytes of additional data space will be used. So yeah, install everything. You will need it. Okay, our Linux Ubuntu installed. So you may first be interested in where it's installed, in which location. So press Windows E, or just open Windows Explorer, and here $\vsl$. You will find that it's kind of mounted like a network. So you go inside and you see Linux, standard Linux folders. So you could go to home and see where everything happens. So now you can start working, and you may see that actually in your Windows Explorer you can see what's going on. So if you will take a look, ls list files here, you see all what you have here. So you can find part toward working directory, and you will see that it's home n, so the same as this place. And you could start working, like create file, also you could find it here, or start vim to edit the file. So yeah, you could start working and code. So basically this WSL used for development mainly. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video will help you. Have a good day. Bye bye.